Hello guys and welcome to the Tech Glob YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter IP address in your computer with the help of CMD command prompt. Let's go to the start menu. I'm going to type here CMD net sh, hit enter and type here interface. Then type IPv4, enter again, then type set address namespace equal double inverted comma capital E Ethernet 0 close the inverted comma and space, type here static space the IP address 192.168.60.149 and give the space the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 space, enter the default gateway 192.168.60.2, enter. I'm going to enter the primary DNS server primary address and set space DNS server space inverted comma Ethernet 0 close the inverted comma and static space and type the address of the primary DNS. Okay, I'm going to type here 192.168.60.130. okay, I'm going to enter and wait for a couple of seconds, and now we have set the IP address of this server. I'm going to check right now. Go to run command, type ncpa.cpl and go to the Ethernet adapter on properties and go to the IPv4, and now you can see here we have enter the IP address of the Ethernet port. Okay, this is the IP address and subnet mask and the default gateway, and we have set the preferred DNS server. And now I'm going to enable the DHCP server and close this module. Okay, and close this, and again you have to enter here set space address space name equal Ethernet inverted comma Ethernet 0 and close the inverted comma space source equal DHCP. Okay, and hit enter and type again set space DNS server space inverted comma Ethernet 0 and inverted comma space source equal DHCP, hit enter and type again set space DNS server inverted comma Ethernet 0 inverted comma and source equal DHCP and hit enter. Okay, now we have enabled DHCP. Again we can check whether the DHCP is enabled or not. I'm going to type run command ncpa.cpl and right click Ethernet 0 port, go to properties, TCP IPv4, and now you can see we have set the DHCPs. Okay guys, this is the way how to enter the IP address with the help of CMD command prompt. Please like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.